So we're going to do an amygdala balance around choosing to own your voice. Choosing to own your voice. Thinking about what's underneath your beliefs. Why do we believe what we believe? So let's go have a play. Okay, so because we all believe different things, and how wonderful is that to have a world where we're entitled as free human beings to think and to discuss things and to own our beliefs. So let's run that central meridian anti-clockwise over the heart. Beautiful. Frontal cortex, bring that blood to the frontal cortex. This is where we work things out. It's where we work things out. Actually, let's get into the dorsal lateral frontal cortex. I choose to speak my truth. I choose to be open. I choose to listen to both sides of the conversation. I choose to listen to my soul. So there's some escape, submission, freeze in relation to listening to our souls. It seems to be a bit of a stress. So 999, 999, raise that vibration. 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999. Why is it so challenging for us to pay attention to our heart, to pay attention to our gut feelings, to pay attention to our soul? Is it just easier going along with the mainstream and not thinking things through? Is it easier to be part of the pack? Is it easier to be one of the many and not the few? Of course it is. It's always easier to run with the pack. But there's a real escape, wanting to run away rather than listening to our heart and soul. I listen to my heart and soul and make choices for me. I listen to my mind. I pay attention to how I think. Pay attention to how I think. Right, so there's some rage, anger, frustration in relation to thinking. Have you ever been in trouble for your thoughts? Have you ever been yelled at for your thoughts? Have you ever been told to be quiet? Children should be seen and not heard. It doesn't make us want to discuss things, does it? If we're in a bullying relationship, hanging around narcissists or sociopaths, who want to control the way we think. Abusive relationships do not allow us to open our hearts and mind and have discussions. I am open to ideas and discussions. I am open to other ways of thinking. I choose to own my truth. Okay, throat chakra. Breathe in goodness. Breathe out frustration. Breathe in truth. Breathe out mistruths. Breathe in goodness. Breathe out negativity. My brain chooses to create oxytocin, serotonin, dopamine, feel-good hormones for me when I listen to my heart and soul. My body chooses to make feel-good hormones of oxytocin, serotonin, melatonin when I choose to speak the truth from my heart and soul. I choose freedom, I choose happiness, I choose life. Okay, so fourth hippocampal circuit is lack of motivation due to internal negativity. So what's that internal negativity saying to us? So once again, raise that vibration, 999, 999, 999. Aiming for those higher levels of vibration, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999. Okay, so this is motivation being down, which means low dopamine. I choose to create plenty of dopamine so I can get done everything I want to do. Asking my little angels for help every morning. I am grateful for all of the energy that I wake up with each day to do what I choose to do with my time. Okay, 999, 999, 999. I choose to be motivated. I choose to be motivated. I choose to be motivated to listen to my heart and soul. Once again, the brain wants to run away rather than listening to my heart and soul. So is it too hard? Is it just too hard sometimes to pay attention to what we truly want or what we truly believe? So just think about anything that you believe. Where does it come from? Is it your beliefs? Is it your partner's beliefs, your boss's beliefs, your family's beliefs, your children's beliefs? Whose beliefs are they? Where did they come from? Is it just something that's always been in the family, always been in the genetics, always been in that familial line, always been in that astrological layer of our existence? Where did these beliefs come from? Is it from the mainstream media? Is it from our politicians? Where did these beliefs come from? Raise the vibration, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999. Listen to my heart and soul and speak freely. I listen to my heart and soul and speak freely with calm, peace and love. I listen to my heart and soul and choose to move forward with peace and love in my heart and soul. I choose to move forward with peace and love in my heart and soul. I choose to move forward with peace and love in my heart and soul. Fear, threat, danger. Okay. The threat. Okay, so it's the threat. So the threat of speaking your truth. So obviously when there's a threat there, it's perceived because at some stage in our past we've been attacked for our beliefs, our truths, that it believes in our heart and soul. So why would we put ourselves out there? Part of it is that when we don't put ourselves out there and say what we think, we're going to be angry at ourselves later on. You'll get home and think, gee, I wish I had have said that. Release that fear. I release the fear of speaking my truth. I release the fear of listening to my heart and soul. I choose to believe that life is safe. I choose to believe that people are good. 999, 999, 999. 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999. Beautiful. Beautiful. I am ready to transform so that I can speak my truth, speak from my heart and soul. Life is safe, life is good, life is free. Okay, beautiful souls. Moving forward, pay attention to the words you speak. Know that your words have power. Know that as you speak your truth, you are changing. It's like that ripple in a pond. Things are changing around you. So 999, 999, raise that vibration. Move forward with peace and love in your heart. Life is good. Take care. Let's hope this fantastic, positive, beautiful energy on the planet continues. See you later.